What's up, my healthy business fam? Y'all know what it is. It's all about that healthy business. Bam, bam, bam. It's your girl Queen. See me back on your screen. Can you see me? Can you see your girl now? How about now? Cool. That's what's up. Hope you guys are doing good and feeling good. Did you calm down moment and breathing? Staying true and staying prayed up. Alright guys, your girl is back with another delicious seafood mukbang. Okay? Alright guys, so this time your girl have on deck, this here seafood tray. Now I don't know how well y'all are able to see it, but I'm just going to still bring it closer. Y'all know I shared it already. Just a little bit more closer there. Okay. And this is just some sushi that was left over. And I believe this was the salmon and avocado sushi, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. And Gabby killed, half of that. Okay. So your girl, I'm going to go ahead and dive into this. I have never had this before. I cannot tell you guys everything about this tray that good. It didn't have a lot of description of everything, but from what I could see, it's definitely some shrimp, and I don't know what this is in the middle. I guess this is some shrimp too, or something. These big old chunks in the middle here. I'm gonna be trying to use these here chopsticks, y'all. Now this right here, I'm not sure exactly, but it's, I guess this all, sushi. Oh my God, today. No, I didn't just throw the food all at y'all. Sorry about that. Threw it all on the camera and everything. Okay, y'all. Let me go ahead and dive into this here thing before I make a mess. I'm gonna have to wipe y'all off a little bit. Kind of got y'all on the face a little bit there. Okay. That was a hot mess. Don't need to be trying to do that too far out there like that, huh? Okay, let me say my prayer so I can dive in. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this blessed food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. I pray for my fam, and I pray for my the less fortunate. And I pray this food does not make me sick, and that it may be nourishing to my body in Jesus' good name. Amen. Alright, guys, so I have some soy sauce here. Just wanted a little bit of that. Do a little dipping. I have the coldest water bottle on deck, y'all. Okay, so go check that out. Link in the description. And if you mention your girl, Cemedrink, you will get free shipping. Okay, so that truck will be bringing your stuff, delivering your stuff to you with no shipping fee. Okay. Alright, so y'all check it out. It's a lot of coldest water things over there. Not just the bottles now. And it's some cool gear, guys. I'm telling you now. So a lot of you hesitating about it, go over there and see for yourself. I'm telling you, okay? This is a good bottle that holds your water cold for a long time. About 36 hours. And your hot drinks as well. It holds them really good too. Hot for a long time. So check it out, y'all. Okay, so let me get started, and I'm just going to kind of play my little toss it or say what game with you guys, okay? And that's just basically me telling you guys, for the newbies, hey newbies, a story or just a situation or whatever that happened, and you guys can decide if it's true or not, meaning you'll say what, or you'll say toss it, okay? That's what you would say. So y'all say toss it or say what, okay? So you're trying to see if it's true, if it sounds true or whatever. Sometimes they're going to be, short and quick. Some going to be just a little lengthy, not that lengthy. Stories about me, other situations, anything I may have seen. It doesn't matter, guys, okay? So I'm just sharing something with you guys, okay? All right, so let your girl go ahead and see what's going on here. I don't know where to start because I have never had this, and I hope I like it. Now, this looks like a big old shrimp. They got the little grass look like it in here, the little greenery, you know. Okay, so guys, also in the end, I will be doing a review of something I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what's up with this. I've been trying to get back to this, but Gabby kept buying seafood. I just could never get back to it. I didn't want it to go bad or anything, so it smells good. It's a big old piece of shrimp. So let's see. Oh my God, today. Here we go. I have never had this, and I purchased it from Kroger's. It's the big Kroger's that's here, and they have a sushi bar. Just it was loaded with all kinds of delicious sushi dishes and stuff. And this came in like a heart-shaped platter, so it's pretty awesome. Here goes, y'all. Uh-oh. I'm silly. Okay. That's good, though. Mm. Oops. Mm. Okay. That's good so far. Mm. Okay. I don't know what this is right here. I don't be knowing what to make of seafood. I'm not a big time seafood lover, but y'all see this? That's what this look like. It's hard to focus. Let me give y'all that. I want to share. Y'all know I love to share. Here y'all go. Okay. What y'all think? What y'all think so far? Mm-hmm. 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 I'm listening. Okay. So let me see. I don't know what this is over here. All this here. I don't know what this is. They got stuff all kind of ways. I don't know what this is. So far, it's good, y'all. It don't taste no type of bad way. It's like sushi. A lot of different way in a lot of different ways. Mm. Oh my God, everything then fell in here. So y'all can see what that looked like. Maybe I just need to, for right this moment, I did bring, I'm gonna use a spoon, scoop this up. Okay. It's not bad at all. Not at all. Y'all see that? Ooh, that's big. See what that's gonna taste like. I don't know what this caramel looking stuff across it. I don't know if that's caramel. I don't know what that is. Okay. It's working. It's working for me. A lot going on here, but it's working for me. Never had all this before. I'm trying to make sure this is good to go, y'all. This is my first time, so forgive me for smelling it, but that's how I do. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay. It's good. Okay. Okay, okay. I can do that. I can do this. Mm. Okay, let me jump to this little story real quick. Okay. So right quick, y'all, I almost don't forgot. It was a lady riding on a bike. Sorry about the noise. And she just going about her merry way. And if I didn't like this, y'all would know. Trust and believe, y'all would know. And so anywho, she was out, you know, in the street, you know. I guess I believe she was in her lane where she can ride the bike in the street, or she might have been in the street. I don't even know. But either way, she was riding her bike, and somebody hit her. Okay, okay, that sounds normal enough, huh? Don't sound like nothing too heavy, too bad, right? Okay, she riding her bike, and somebody hit her. I know it's not good to be hit, but I'm saying like, okay, so it's what happened. What happened next? Okay, that was interesting. Somebody came and hit her, and they knocked the poor lady so hard, knocked her off her bike, and don't y'all laugh, the woman went flying into the sewage. Into the sewage, y'all. Yes, y'all heard that right. Poor thing. She was alright. It's weird. People stopped and helped her out of the sewage drain. One of those drains that's on the side, that's down on, you know, by the sidewalk. And somebody stopped and helped her out. The person that hit her looked like they saw people looking at them. They stopped and looked, but then they saw people looking at them or something, and they took off. Don't know why. Don't know what happened. What's up with that? But they took off. But you kind of know some people, they like that, but unfortunately they took off. This is a very interesting dish. And so y'all can tell me if that's a say what or toss it. Okay? I had said, just for my newbies, that one of these days I'm going to do a giveaway just for you participating in this game, just for fun, okay? And that's it. And Yep, that's what happened. Now I'm gonna leave it with y'all. See what y'all think. Okay. But yeah, y'all, this is a very interesting dish. Look kind of blurry, but that's the way that looked. That's shrimp rice, I guess, or whatever. Okay, guys, so ooh, that's gonna do it for this here mukbang. I get full real easily, y'all. I'm not real full, but I don't like to eat a whole lot of seafood, depending on what it is. I have to have a set amount, and this is decent and everything, but I don't want like a lot of it. But I definitely enjoyed it. Really good. Don't take me long to eat. But I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. Oh my God, today. Okay. Alright, y'all. Now I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys my little review of something I purchased, okay, out. And these are small hauls of just things I grabbed. So this, it's only about 2 things here. This is 2 things. Not about, it is 2 things, okay? I'm going to share with you guys, okay? So we're going to hop right on with my little review. Just 2 items, like I said. Okay, so y'all, I'm going to be sharing little things, you know, from time to time. And, you know, I'm going to get back to my grocery hauls as well, you know. Okay, these healthy grocery hauls and anything healthy. Like I say, guys, this is all about health over here. And healthy fun and healthy cool fun. And, you know, it don't have to just be, like I say, working out and eating. It's just a little everything, you know, not just eating and working out. So just want to make that clear, okay? So, but it's still like a healthy channel, inspirational, sharing things, you know, that, you know, I like. If I find out something, I want to share it with you guys. I want you guys to know about it, okay? If I'm trying something, you know, that's healthy, that's good to do, or whatever it may be, guys, I want you guys to know about it, okay? So if I can help in any way, that's what I like to do over here on this channel, okay? Okay, so since we started off on our healthy journey some time ago, you know, hey, we just always constantly, you know, trying out things and sometimes different things, but it's some stuff that we always been doing, you know, anywho. So I love healthy, okay? It's a thing for us, okay? So we're going to start off with this here maple syrup. Now, I don't care for the other syrup that we used to get. I can't say once in a while we may not get one of them. It just depends on my shopping mood at that time and what I could find. But I do try to not do that. I try to get the best of the best, okay, or close to the best or something like that, okay, when it comes down to stuff that, you know, that's healthy for us. This is a specially selected syrup, okay, and as y'all can see, It's not hardly anything in here. Okay, because I tore this up. This is so pure tasting, and it is a 100% pure maple syrup. Okay, 100% pure, y'all. Grade A, amber color, and rich taste. Gold. Okay, it's 110 calories. Okay, and I don't use stuff, every day, so it's broke up over time that I use it, and because I'm not eating the pancakes and waffles every single day or whatever else. I still just use it like, every once in a good while apart. So, but it's gone because, hey, it's super good, and I've used it over time. Okay, and it's no fat, 5 milligrams of sodium, and yes, it does have 24 grams of sugar in it, but I'm trying to see something. The ingredients is pure maple syrup. That's all it says. Pure maple syrup. Right there. That's all the ingredients. No, you guys can't probably see that. It's so dull looking. But anywho, that's what it says. And like I say, if you don't use something all the time, you're not getting that full 110 calories, unless you drink it all up in one day. Okay? And then I share it amongst other family members, right? But this is delicious, y'all. I got it from Aldi, and I love it. It's light. It's not heavy. I don't like that heavy syrup. Syrup. That's syrup. Okay? So that is delicious, y'all. And I also want to share my pure natural honey. Okay? I love this honey right here. Okay? Have y'all ever had honey on y'all seafood, like y'all shrimp? I know that probably sounds weird, right? But it tastes good. Okay. This is, they make this like, it's like a little shop. They just make this, and that's it. It's something they just do at the shop, wherever, and their little place is, and they make it, and they send it to this. I pick it up from the like a what do you call those fruit stands, fruit and veggie stands, and they have good stuff. Everybody be there, trust and believe me. Nice little flock of people. Okay, and it's pure natural honey, as y'all can see. They pure natural up there, and that's all it is, y'all. Genuine pure honey, pure natural honey. Okay, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. And let me get one of these, and I'm going to show y'all that I have done this. And it may seem like, ew, you putting honey on shrimp. But y'all, trust and believe me. It's good. You can't knock it till you try it. It seems like it don't taste good, but it's good. No, I like it. I'm sure this is different to a lot of you guys. A lot of you guys. Nobody's done this that I know of, but myself. But this is a big jar, y'all. This is a 44-ounce jar for $17. It says $17 right there on the top, right here. 1700. Okay, and I love it. Just wanted to share that with you guys. My mom, my brother, and all them get it as well, and it's super naturally good and delicious. Okay, nothing like some good deliciousness, especially with some honey and stuff. Okay, all right, y'all, that is going to wrap it up. It is now a wrap, a snap, and a clap, y'all. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the show. If you did, make sure you like up, show some love, share this video with anybody and everybody, your family and all, and friends. And make sure that you guys comment anything you want to know. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Okay? Subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so that you will be notified whenever we do upload a video and you won't miss an upload. Okay? Check out our community posts from time to time, whatever. I do post over there from time to time. And y'all stay healthy, conscious, and fridge friendly. And take healthy care. Okay? And this is your girl, Queen Simi, signing out. And I love you guys to pieces. See y'all next time. Hi guys, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you will be notified whenever we upload.